This is the very first diamond painting kit that I purchased from Amazon, and it's a absolutely gorgeous hummingbird. And I started doing this project on the 29th of November, and I just went at it and I couldn't stop myself. And I was finished with it on November the 5th. But I am hooked on diamond painting now, and I'm going to show you that my little gorgeous hummingbird that I worked on. This is my gorgeous hummingbird, and it is absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to work on my next project, which I have ordered yesterday, and it should be coming on Saturday. And I will be doing some videos on diamond painting projects. Now that I'm hooked to this, there's no stopping me now. So this is my hummingbird, and I'm looking forward to doing many more diamond paintings. I want to give a shout out to Shewanna Creative Circle. Shewanna is a very good artist. She does diamond painting, and she does journals. She does it all, including relaxing music. And she's a fantastic dancer as well. But yeah, I really appreciate you introducing me to the world of diamond painting. And I hope that we one day will be able to do some collaborations, because I am really excited about diamond painting, and you know how I feel about it, because we've had conversations about it. And I just want to give a big shout out to you. Thank you so much. And you can check out Shewanna's Creative Circle. I have her link down in the description area. And until the next video, blessings, y'all. Shewanna, you got me hooked. I am doing diamond painting now,